Sometimes I sit alone for hours on end, thinking about the day when I'll again call a friend. Sometimes I understand from where the stagnation comes, but this current is far too strong to fighting this river it runs. Sometimes I'm like a pebble underwater, I'm worn. No hope of seeing the surface, I dream of the shore. Sometimes I feel in the face of the rock against all will break. Then I saw my reflection in the surface of a lake, and it was me in my face. Then sometimes was most times. Sometimes I remember when I could fully control mine. Sometimes I see the difference while most days stay the same. Sometimes we have to admit that some things gotta change, and at this time once you realize, don't give up. If you find yourself empty, you have to refill that cup. Sometimes it's time for work, sometimes it's time for play. Sometimes I feel I'm but one page away from staying the same.
Sometimes I look back to the start, see a young little me with a whole lot of heart. Sometimes I look back, all I see is you. I didn't always know what I was meant to do. Sometimes I just ponder, sit back, react, envision the weight of the world breaking my back. I visit lost cities and I read dead scrolls, travel to temples, bow and behold. Warm summer day, winter wind blows cold. To travel this path you must pay the toll. It's hard living in easy times, work your finger to the bone and define the grind. Well, I jump back, kiss myself, move among shadows and mind my health. I wrote a sad song and I paid my dues. I moved to higher grounds and sang the blues. Sometimes I see the mountains, sometimes the sun, but I don't look that hard when I'm on the run. My time here passed a little too fast. I convinced myself I can make it last. It's easy to say, but it's so hard to do. So I bang to the beat and I hang with my crew. I dabble in danger when there's nothing else to do. Live in 05, the Three Wise Men crew.
Sometimes I get so tired and so sad, and yo, my world has so crumbled, yo, it can't be that bad. Sometimes I feel like my heart could collapse, alleviate the beauty by flowing through my raps. Sometimes I'm stupid, selfish and rude, and yo, my folks ain't raised me that way, I ain't that dude. Sometimes kids fall to dark depths and die, and I realize every day that someone has to cry. But there's a piece of me in everything that I see, but there could not be me without eternity. Sometimes God's the only thing that's lighting my path. See, I'm a foolish actor, I ain't never had no staff. Sometimes this world is too much to behold, and I think all of my thoughts will never be told. And I think I will die, but I just don't know when. Sometimes my life is nothing but disgusting sin. Sometimes a parallel peep steps of sadness. My lyrics offer me, but you can have this. See the beauty of life, well, beauty in general, that's really what's essential. So bloom like perennials, but that's like me. I'm always coming back, overweight, insecure, empty pockets, no son. I told women don't go for me. Check the TV, I'd have to be ripped or play keys like Stevie. But that's alright, because I ain't really real. And if that's the case, my soul they can't steal. I live this life like a dream, so I don't wake up. When the nightmares come, it ain't hard to suck it up. Sometimes I think I never just figure it out, and sometimes I'm like, yo, I ain't got no doubts. But this is the outpouring of a young and quite cliche, and this probably wouldn't make sense on any given day. Right.